All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, wherever you are. My name is Duke Hon Echate, the Chairperson of Commodities Fund of Kenya and a musician from the Gusii region. I want to take this opportunity to invite all young people, those ones who are proceeding to university and colleges, the Form 4 graduates, for the Youth Mentorship Program tomorrow here at Kisii University Amphitheatre. We'll be talking about issues of drugs and how to avoid getting addicted. We'll be talking about issues of betting addiction and how to, manage betting addiction and how to avoid irresponsible betting. We'll also be talking about issues of balancing between talent and education. You can be talented as a musician, as an actor, as a footballer, name them. But that should not interfere completely with your education. How we can be able to speak to each other and guide you on how to become an all-round citizen within the country. We'll also be talking about relationships in universities and colleges. You know, we've had very many cases of young people getting killed or, getting depressed due to issues of disagreements between each other, in terms of associations in our university and college setups. So we'll be talking to each other on how to build a healthy relationship while you manage your studies back in school. Again, we will also be looking at issues of peer pressure. How do young people get to manage their peer pressure? You've seen the recent past, we've had a number of cases whereby young people get killed in Airbnbs and other places in search of soft life. We will talk about, ways on how you can be able to build your life slowly and satisfactorily get to survive within the university or college setup patiently as you wait to get into the job market. Therefore, I want to request each and one of you that kindly, if you get time, be here tomorrow. The event is starting at exactly 8:30 a.m. There will be registration, and then from registration, we'll go straight into the topics of the day. And the event will be concluding at around 4 p.m. Time. Lastly, I want to state that I have received too many calls, numerous calls from young people who are not students, who are not graduates, who are not, proceeding to university and colleges. They are requesting if we can be able to allow them to sit in tomorrow and be part of the program. So I consulted with my team and we have agreed that we are going to give 50 chances. Kwa hivyo vijana wale wenye mlikuwa mnaomba nafasi ya kuwa hapa, kujeni kesho. Ziko nafasi 50. The event is free of charge. It's free of charge. We have had quite a number of people, sponsors who've come through to support the initiative. Therefore, kazi yako ni kukuja kesho, ukuje hapa upate training, urudi nyumbani. Thank you very much and have a good evening.